Hey there everyone, my name's Elliot and welcome to my cooking show. Today we're going to be learning how to cook Robert's famous Greek chicken salad with carrots for one, because I literally always dine alone. Let's get started. A pan, olive oil, salt, pepper, Greek dressing, hot rod bobs, chicken, a carrot, and lettuce. The first thing you're going to want to do is put your pan on the stove. Take your olive oil and covering the bottom of the pan. Don't forget to turn your stove on to medium. The second step is preparing your chicken. Cut the chicken into cubes for the Greek chicken salad. There may be some fat on there, but that brings out the flavor. After the chicken has been cubed, dump it in the pan. Hear that sizzle? That means it's hot. Stir the chicken once it's in the pan. After it's in the pan and stirred around, salt and pepper the chicken. On a second cutting board, cut your lettuce leaves like so. Cut the carrots however you like. Preferably, I like mine in a cylinder form. Throw the ends away. They're disgusting. Don't forget to stir your chicken periodically. God, this fucking thing. Once your salad's all cut up, put it in the bowl. After the salad's all prepared, we want to focus on our chicken. You can see the chicken is getting done by how brown it is, but we want to make sure that even the inside is all cooked. Take one of the bigger pieces out of the pan and put it on your cutting board. Cut into the middle of the chicken. You know the chicken's all done when there's no more pink left in the center. Now that the chicken is done, the next step is to put it inside the salad. This fucking thing. I wouldn't use chopsticks next time. The second to last step is putting Greek dressing on top of the salad. With this dressing, all the good stuff is on the bottom, so you're gonna have to shake it up really well. Drizzle it on top. And there you have it. Robert's famous Greek dressing chicken with carrots for one, because I literally always dine alone.